Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the app FocusFlight. In a world full of distractions, the FocusFlight app gives you a way to turn your focus time into a meaningful journey. The app presents a fresh concept. You pick the length and type of task, you start a flight, and during that time the app helps you stay on track by blocking distractions and tracking your progress. When you open FocusFlight, the first step is to schedule a custom focus session. You can set how long you plan to work and what kind of task it is, for example studying, writing, reading, or working on a project. Then you choose your flight mode. This means the app enters a distraction-free state by using what is called airplane mode integration. Selected apps and notifications are blocked, so you can concentrate on your work with fewer interruptions. As you work, FocusFlight shows each focus session as a route on a map. You earn virtual miles and unlock new destinations the more you stay focused. You can also tag your sessions by task type and track your progress over time. The app lets you set reminders to start sessions or take breaks, helping you stay consistent. You can also choose different focus modes based on your activity like reading or studying, and view simple analytics to see how long you focused and how often. Thanks for watching.